So hey everyone, welcome to my channel Informatica. I hope you guys are doing absolutely good. So basically in this video I'm going to talk regarding ZS case studies. Why I'm taking this topic, because many of you might be appearing ZS for the first time and just may be confused that what exactly is expected in case study round, what exactly they expect from you, and yes, how you can tackle that round. Before the case study you might be aware about the written round that ZS is held in. That is kind of an aptitude, quant, verbal together they are taking along with the guesstimates and some business acumen question depending upon the role that you are applying and depending upon the platform that they are taking. But yes, before starting the video, know me, and after that we can build better relationship, and you can watch this video till end, because just like you all guys, I'm an IT guy, and if I make videos regarding IT companies, college reviews, placement experience, technology experience, switching experience, campus to corporate, all about IT consulting, software, and lots more that you can think related to IT. And yes, I keep interest in making videos, knowing from you all guys, and in a motto to spread something genuine so that it can be helpful for many of the candidates. I take input from you all guys, try to accumulate the best thing out of that, and yes, try to deliver it as per my experience, try to deliver the genuine content. So if you want to continue in my journey, do subscribe my channel to support my journey. Actually, do subscribe my channel. If you like my video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. खराब लगेगा dislike बटन दबाना, कमेंट में बताना कि एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं वीडियो से. चलो वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं. So first of all, केस स्टडी राउंड जो होती है जीएस की, वो आफ्टर द रिटन राउंड होती है. दैट इज द सेकंड फेज where it start actually. Okay, case study discussion round is one of the vital or a critical round that is having a great weightage when you are going for any of the profile, whether it's the DAA or BTA, BOLA. Okay, in case study round actually they want to check the business acumen, and yes, how you are trying to, how you are trying to adapt in multiple business scenario, how you're trying to present yourself, how you're trying to give a better answer, how use your critical thinking, how is your analytical thinking, how use your domain knowledge, and all the things they use to check. Definitely case study will be there, that will be consisting of some mathematical questions that will be helping them to shortlist some candidate who are having some mathematical and statistics acumen, not of that high level, but it will be there. So you have to apply some of the formulations, you have to put some of the formulations, customization, configurations of the data that they will be providing you. As per that, you need to put out a solution for that. The way of thinking, they will be checking on that how you are coming to a particular solution, because you know that in case study no answer is correct or no answer is wrong. It totally depends upon how you are taking up the things, what is your initial assumption, and how you are moving ahead with the solution that you want to provide to them. So there is no fixed answer over here, like there is nothing correct, there is no correct answer or no wrong answer. It's all about your business acumen, how you are taking it and how you are making it, how is your presentation, and whether you are able to convince the panel or not. Okay, they will be having a lots of leg pulling in the discussion session, because they want to check that when you are sitting and interacting with the client to whom you are consulting. Actually, ZS is a pharmaceutical based consulting company coming from a pharma background, and most of the client of ZS are from pharma only. So yes, high paying client, you will be definitely enjoying over there. But the thing is that you have to be little business acumen, little adapted toward the multiple business scenario, reactive toward the multiple use cases, and yes, give the best solution that you can give as per the input that you are getting from the multiple panel over there. Okay, so during the case studies, remember one thing, that be optimistic, be fighter, not in a aggressive way, in a humble or diplomatic way. Try to answer the solution in a better way. Whenever they are hindering, there will be lots of legs pulling. Try to handle those leg pulling session. I have made a complete video that what are the mistakes that you should not make during a ZS. You can check out below in the description. You can find the ZS playlist. You can open up and check the video that is actually required for you. And yes, what are the more things that you should keep here is, be humble whatever you are talking, be a good listener and a good analyzer, and a good point keeper. Whenever you are listening to something, listen in such a way that you are able to present or analyze that problem into a better solution based answer and provide them a better solution. Okay, case study will be totally depending upon, it will be kind of a market ABCs, want to expand their businesses in online, offline, and through organic way. What are the strategy? There will be certain number set there that will be provided to you. What will be the approach, what will be the approachable way in order to gain that percentage of growth in a coming year, which of the company or which of the, what I can say, marketplace is the better for them. There will be 2-3 marketplace, maybe Amazon, Flipkart and all. They will be providing an online source and an offline source. You have to figure out the best from there, and yes, can give a better solution. That is how they can proceed and move ahead in this journey, what I would say. So that's the thing that you should keep in mind, that you have to play with number, give a better number solution, give with analytical business analytical solution, be little business oriented and acumen oriented, so that you are moving in this way and giving a solution in a better way. Case study round, expect a candidate to be a positive, optimistic, analytical, behavioral. He should be good, and he is a good speaker who can discuss the things in a better way. What are the things they expect in the resume? Just remember one thing, that they are expecting something in the resume that can be helpful in terms of data tools like Tableau, Power BI, business intelligence, or any project that you have done, so that you are aware on the business background. Okay, so that can be helpful for them in order to train you, because they need someone to whom they can train easily. You can be easily trainable. So they want that kind of person, okay, who loves playing with the data, who is the person who speaks well, who know how to adapt in multiple scenarios, who know how to concentrate with the things that is expected in the market. After that, there will be guesstimates, problem solving and puzzles that you have to handle through, what I can say, guesstimate puzzles. You have to handle through multiple question sets that you can find in the Google only about the guesstimate puzzles, and all you can check there, and you can frame the solution like that. Means you can check out where puzzles are, like where you need to know that how exactly you have to take the approach. So check out the certain links, that what are the puzzles that can be accepted in this interview. After that, guesstimate will be the common step that you have to take through an approach. Okay, through an approach, I mean that whenever you are telling some guesstimate, whether it's be a number of balls that can be fitted into a room, a number of balls that can be fitted into an airplane, number of candidates studying in Bangalore, you have to work on number, about the population, some rough figure you should tell about the state, about the segmentation. They actually want to check that how is your thinking, how broaden you can think, and how you are breaking down the thing, so that actually it can be broken, analyzed, and a proper data can be predicted from there. It's not okay, there is no correct answer again over here. You just have to predict a particular number or particular data. ओके, केस स्टडी में ये बात याद रखना कि केस स्टडी व्हेनेवर यू आर प्रिटेंडिंग और प्रेजेंटिंग, बी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक इन योर थॉट्स, व्हाटएवर you have think, try to tell them that why you have told in that part. Suppose if you are thinking in between, that is the way of thinking that they are giving you is better than what you think, I would say you tell them why you have told that, and yes, how that can be helpful if you are going with their thought. Be kind of diplomatic in the interview, try to be what I can say, be diplomatic and be smart. That is enough in order to tackle the interview. It's not much, it's all about little arithmetical knowledge, little tool knowledge, and yes, a critical thinker, analytical thinker, working on data, that's actually expected. Even if you want any personal session with me regarding CS, you can check out the document link below in the description box, or if you want some CS case study material, check out the description over there. CS case study materials are there, means that's actually a case study practice material, sample problems are there. If you are going through that, will be giving you an idea about the business acumen and can be helping you out in order to grab the best that are for the options that are available in the market right now. Chalo, if you like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, and yes, if you think that this video can be helpful to someone, do share with your colleagues or your friend who are appearing for ZS Drive. चलो मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो में नई इन्फॉर्मेटिव कंटेंट के साथ, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय.